Hello grade ones and welcome to today's lesson. This morning when I got to school, some of my class friends were in tears. They decided to climb into the sweetie jar. And they took some sweeties and they said they all need the same. But then, poor Mr. Yellow Rabbit and Mr. Fred were very sad. Because they did something terrible. They took a lot more than some of their other friends. And Pink Rabbit and Blue Rabbit and Mr. Bear were crying, telling me that Yellow Rabbit and Mr. Fred has double the amount of sweets that they have. So, do you remember the other day when we spoke about doubling? Doubling means to add the same number. So, Rabbit, the pink one, had 2 sweets. And the blue rabbit had 2 sweets. But Mr. Rabbit, the yellow one, he had 4 sweets. We have 2, and we take the same number and we add 2 again, is 4. So double is also twice the amount that someone else has. Let's check it with Mr. Bear and Mr. Fred. So Mr. Bear had 3 sweets, but Mr. Fred had 6 sweets. So he had double. So double means to take the same number, 3 like Mr. Bear, and to take 3 more. So he had double the amount of sweets that Mr. Bear had. So Mrs. O'Reilly first had to fix this. Mrs. O'Reilly first had to fix the problem. So I had to tell them how to share nicely so that they all could have the same. So if we were to give 1 here and 1 here, then these 2 rabbits would have 3, but he would only have 2. So that's not fair either. So let's take 1 from here. So then he's got 3 now. Mr. Bear's got 3. And let's give Mr. Fred 3. And these 2 are for Mrs. O'Reilly. So remember that doubling means to add the same number. So for tomorrow's lesson, we need to know how to draw this. So we're going to draw today and we're going to see exactly what we need to do. So take a look. Here's my board, and if I say double 2, now I've got 2. To double this means I have to take the same number and I have to add 2 because that was my number. So I can say double 2 is 4. Let's try it with another number. So this is 3. If I want to double it, I take the same number and I add 3. And now I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So double 3 is 6. In one of your worksheets that you have, you're going to see the word double. I'm going to write it for you. Double, and let's take the number 4. It says double 4 is, now I take the same number and I add it again. Double 4 is, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So double 4 is 8. So in tomorrow's lesson, we're going to use the drawings to solve the problems. I hope you've enjoyed today. Make sure you share equally with your friends and family at home, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.